when the sun ain't shining too bright and the sea breeze is blowing just right. That's when I love my hot cuppa and Dan Brown. And Oat Cafe at Neelangare is a great place to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. With comforting greenery, soothing Buddha faces, relaxing music from a surprisingly huge wind chime, and a shelf full of books with very many subjects, this cafe is indeed an ode to all good things in life.
I used to be a regular customer to the Oat Gallery, and then I thought this is a lovely ambience where we can do an innovative restaurant, something like that. And then I checked out with the customer, in the sense, the owner of the place, Ram Kumar, and we found a lovely place, and then we designed the architecture, we designed everything, and then the Oat Cafe came.
The cuisine is as such, you can enjoy the food with the place. That's what we've been thinking about. Then we finally came into the conclusion of the European cuisine, where the people can enjoy and also spend some more valuable time when they eat.
Oat for now has a working menu, as the restaurant is still in its initial stages of setting up. Though the menu is not elaborate, it is well balanced with just the right dishes from starters to dessert. The menu here is predominantly European, maybe because there are many expats in this part of town. Now, I have asked for a bean sprout salad, and it has bean sprouts, of course, along with some corn and pomegranate and a vinaigrette dressing. For any salad lover, this can be the ultimate nutritious treat. But for one like me, who likes my beans cooked, this doesn't go down very easily. Now this I really like. Black pepper chicken and calamari fritters. One, the chef's specialty, and the other, a classic Italian summer treat. Now the black pepper chicken has a sprinkling of some herbs, which is giving it a very special taste. Quite good. Now at most times, I can't stand the fishy taste. But there are a few seafood varieties which I really love, and the calamari is one of them. Now this is perfectly fried. A little more or a little less would have made it very, very rubbery. Oat Cafe also has sandwiches, and the Chicken Club sandwich is the most popular.
I work nearby, so sometimes I come here, grab a sandwich when I'm in a hurry. And usually they're veg sandwiches. It's really simple and too tasty. And also now they have come up with this wood-fired pizza, which is like really great. You have to have it. I mean, it's too good.
The wood-fired oven pizza, I wanted to have that. And Shankar says I can help make it. So the basic tomato base is already done. And in goes the cheese, some of the toppings that I've asked for. And in you go. Thin crusted pizza baked in a large wood-fired oven. Now that is something I would not have wanted to miss for the world. It's cheesy and meaty, and of course, it's my own creation. Next, I asked for some grilled chicken with boiled vegetables and mashed potatoes. I actually thought that the chicken wasn't well cooked because it looked like that, but let me tell you, it is well done. They also have these mashed potatoes, which are so light and fluffy that I could in fact ask for a second helping. Now, how could I forget the brown sauce? It is perfect. And though I'd love to tell you how it's made, I'm sure the chef would grill me like the chicken if I did. You see, it's his secret recipe. The chicken sits heavily and I'm afraid I won't be able to do justice to the pastas they serve here. The pistachio pesto is apparently worth a try, but I have dessert to think of, can't skip it, can I? The brownies, it seems, are sourced from an NGO that works with physically challenged people. And by ordering one of these, I feel like even I've done my share. Now, even otherwise, this is the nicest brownie I've had. You have my word. And now, if you want to down all that you ate, then you can choose between hot coffees and teas, and of course, some smoothies. Definitely try the Choco Banana. This place has a dance floor, so every month there is a salsa group from the city which comes here and performs, and on salsa nights like that, this place completely gets transformed into something else. There is so much energy in the air that you will definitely believe that Ode is a tribute to life. I mean, an ode to life.